What a trip this is turning out to be. Started with a comedy of errors, nothing going right, everything going wrong. And then I set out on it, and at the very first hurdles I came to some bits like this, only worse here, and it took me nearly 2 hours to get through it, but I did get through it with my shacks, the shovel and an axe. You may have laughed when I made my shacks the other day, but Mr. Shacks and me, we've just dug our way through the most severest of trails you're going to find. The Tam Lod entrance way to the old helicopter pad. Now I am about 3 kilometres from the helicopter pad. But thankfully it's all going downhill now. So, well, it was sunny, but the clouds had just moved in again. I've been in cloud most of the day, which is why the soil's so wet. That and the fact that it's rained a lot. Well, I'm going to sit down now and have myself a chalky butter picnic. With the beautiful sound of the wow, wow, wow bird and the never-ending buzzing flies. So, I am going to give myself a proper pat on the back when we get off the end of this. Later then, let's get some of this chalky butter biscuit in my face. I've got a couple more packs as well. Later.